pasta vegetable. Do you like to eat vegetables? Vegetables are good for you. They keep you strong. They keep you healthy. Eagles have good eyes. Do you want to have good eyes? Carrots are good for your eyes. Carrots have a lot of vitamin A. Vitamin A help you see better. Red pepper are also good for your eyes. People have healthy teeth. Do you want to have healthy teeth? Broccoli is good for your teeth. Broccoli has a lot of vitamin C. Vitamin C keeps your teeth strong. Tomato are good for your teeth too. Elephant have a strong bone. Do you want to have a strong bone? Spinach is good for your bone. Spinach has a lot of calcium. Calcium helps your bone stay healthy. Cabbage is also good for your bone. Garlic keeps your skin healthy. Bean keeps your muscles strong. Onion helps your blood stay clean. Eating vegetables every day is important. They help you stay strong. They help you stay healthy. Pass the vegetable, please.